In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new arrivals collection on Shopify. Whether you're launching a new product line or just want to showcase the latest items in your store, a dedicated new arrivals collection can certainly help catch your customers' attention and drive more sales. So, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To get started, once you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, take a look at the left-hand panel where you'll find a variety of options and controls. This panel is your gateway to managing all aspects of your store. From here, you'll want to click on Products. This section is essentially the heart of your Shopify store where all your available products are listed and organized. After clicking on Products, the next step is to focus on Collections. Collections in Shopify allow you to organize products into structured groups, making it easier for customers to find related items. It's a fantastic tool for improving the shopping experience, and it also gives your site a more polished and professional look. With the Collections page now open, you'll notice an option to Add Collection. Click on this, and you'll begin creating your new arrivals collection. This is where the magic happens. You're essentially telling Shopify, hey, I want to spotlight these products in a way that's distinct and engaging. When you click on Add Collection, you'll need to fill in some information to set it up properly. Start by naming it New Arrivals to clearly communicate to your customers that these are the latest and freshest products available in your store. The name is important because it will appear prominently on your website, guiding your customers straight to what's trending and new. Once you've named your collection, you'll want to select which products to include. You can do this manually by choosing specific products that best represent what's new and exciting. Alternatively, you could also use automatic selections based on certain criteria such as tags, vendor, or price range. This is especially useful if you frequently update your available products. After completing these steps, take a moment to review your selections and settings. This collection will serve as a dynamic showcase, updating automatically whenever you add new items that match your criteria if you've set it up automatically. It ensures your customers can easily find what's new, keeping them engaged and likely to make a purchase. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a visually appealing and efficient new arrivals collection on Shopify. Remember, keeping your store refreshed with the latest products can enhance the shopping experience and keep your customers coming back for more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.